Alright guys, I'm done putting in that flexible rubberized I don't know what it is, paint, but I just put a little bit everywhere, and then I went over it with some enamel gloss black, and that's about it. Check it out. Came out okay. I mean, just for a little beater track car, you know. Check it out. It's okay. I mean, it's shiny. The color itself is gonna be like a lighter blue, like almost like a gray blue. I don't know. But here's the interior. I mean it's okay. It should quiet down a little bit. Nothing special, but it's pretty much just gonna have a seat. The dash will be back in it though, but that's about it. So if I don't find a little kswap or h-swap, a little single banger turbo will be in it. That's the donor car over there, and that truck's for sale if anybody wants to buy it. It's slammed, well, sort of, besides back end. It's a 5.7, I believe, 5 speed. But yeah, back to this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna come back later, sand the rest of the body down, tape it up, and take it to a buddy's house and shoot it. Here's the engine bay. Engine bay is actually two coat, gloss black. This one came out really good, super shiny, super shiny. But yeah, my little ghetto project. Well, that's about it. It'll be up for sale probably if I need money, which I don't. Chew. Nah, I'm just playing. Yeah, that's about it. It's my quad. Alright, peeps. Hit me up. Need some info.